The next concept we are going to learn is les démonstratifs, the demonstrative adjective. Now in English, the demonstratives are this, that, these. So in English, this is what we use as demonstrative adjective. So in French, these are the demonstrative adjectives. So for singular nouns we have three. They are se, set and seth. So when do we use se? When the noun is masculine singular, we use se. Seth we use when the noun is masculine singular but it begins with a vowel. Devant une voyelle, before a vowel or h. So before a vowel or a h, if the noun is masculine singular and it begins either with a vowel or with a h, we use set, C-E-T. If the noun is feminine singular, we use seth. And for plural we have just one demonstrative, it is se. So whether the noun is masculine or feminine, we use se. So for example, let us take what we took in the previous concept. So livre is masculine. So we say ce livre, this book, ce livre, because livre is masculine. If you take the example of voiture, so this noun is feminine, so we will write seth. Now let us take an example of something beginning with a vowel or a h mute. For example, hotel. So in this case you would write cet hotel. So why did we use this? Because the noun begins with either a vowel or in this case it is a h. Now if all these three verbs, if it is in the plural form, say livre, then it becomes se. Then voiture, again it becomes se. Hotel, it is se. So the rules are very simple. Look at the noun, masculine or feminine, singular or plural. If it is plural, you just go with se. If it is masculine, se or seth. If it is feminine, seth. So now we will be doing some exercises showing how this demonstrative is used.